I'm Courtney Enders with FloRacing here to talk about stop number 5 on the PDRA Tour as we head to US 131 Motorsports Park in Michigan for the Northern Nationals. But before we get into all of that, let's take a look back at the last time we saw the PDRA on tour. We were in Maryland for the North versus South shootout. Let's see what happened there. In Pro Nitrous, the 2024 world champion Freddie Scriba got his first win of the season and since being crowned the champion. He took out Billy Albert in the final round of competition, and it was a hard-fought day for him as he won in front of his wife, family, kids, everybody was there, and he dedicated this win to his late grandmother. In Pro Boost, Ty Teterow got his first win since his rookie season in the PDRA in 2017. Now, the last couple of races, Ty Teterow and his team have seen major explosions, lots of carnage, and they have gone through so much work in between each round and each race to get this car back and ready to go, and everything paid off as he beat the World Series of Pro Mod champion Steve King in the final round. Round number 1, whole shot. Round number 2, 002 on the reaction timer, and low ET, it's safe to say he dominated Pro Boost. In Pro Street, Blake Denton got it done in Bonnie again. Now, this was his third consecutive final round, and that is huge. Pro Street continues to grow, and the competition continues to get closer, so the dominance that Blake is showing is wildly impressive. In Extreme Pro Stock, the 2023 champion, Alan Drinkwater, has made his return to the PDRA and got his first 660 man since being crowned champions. Now, a reminder for this class, this has been an increased purse, which has brought drivers back into the PDRA, $10,000 to win. That's what Alan took home. He qualified number 2 and dominated the event. Now, let's head into Michigan. Some big storylines as we head into the 5th stop of the Redline Oil PDRA series. Let's talk about points. Amber Denton took over the lead in Pro Nitrous. This is her first year in Pro Nitrous and already at the midseason taking that number 1 spot. Johnny Camp in Pro Boost kind of quietly leads the points over there. Melanie Salemi is only 11 points back, and as usual, this makes for a tight competition in Pro Boost. Now, we talked about Blake Denton and 3 consecutive finals. That can only mean that he is leading the points in Pro Street. But last year's champion, Ethan Stedding, and Brown Sugar Tim Essick are right behind him. This class will continue to be tight as well. And in Extreme Pro Stock, the 2023 champion, Alan Drinkwater, is back on top of the points. Now again, this is race number 5, but this is the last stop to get the Pro Stars points set and ready to go, where they will compete at the Pro Stars at the World Finals in Virginia later this fall. Something big on top of what normally goes on at the PDRA this weekend, we have a treat. The Larry Dixon Top Fuel experience will be there, along with Top Fuel Dragsters, Fuel Altereds, Nostalgia Top Fuel, and Nostalgia Funny Cars, jet cars, jet trucks, wheel standers, and more. As usual, Michigan is one of the hottest stops on the PDRA Tour, and you can catch it all live on FloRacing.